Welcome to another episode of Vlogmas, and today I'm going to share with you guys Christmas poetry books for your kids. Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you guys some Christmas poetry books that you can incorporate into your December poetry tea time or into your homeschool in any way that you'd like. So let's look at those right now.
Manger, with poems selected by Lee Bennett Hopkins. There is a legend that describes how at midnight on Christmas Eve, all creatures are granted the power of speech for 1 hour. In this rich collection, Lee Bennett Hopkins and a dozen other poets imagine what responses they might offer. The poems represent a diverse group of animals, but all come together with one singular purpose, celebrating the joy of the Christmas miracle. Santa Claus's Short Poems from the North Pole. These 25 short poems, composed by Santa himself, give you a peek into the life at the North Pole as the December days tick down to Christmas. See the hustle and bustle of the elves' workshop, feel the serenity of moonlight on fresh snow, and find out how Santa and Mrs. Claus keep busy as Santa's big night draws near. These poems are all haikus. Amazing Peace, a Christmas poem by Maya Angelou. Angelou's beautiful, moving, and beloved poem, which she first read at the 2005 White House tree lighting ceremony, now comes alive as a fully illustrated children's book, celebrating the promise of peace in the holiday season. In this simple story, a family joins with their community, rich and poor, black and white, Christian, Muslim, and Jew, to celebrate the holidays. Let's celebrate Christmas. Learn why sometimes Santa prefers the front door. Beautiful color photos and lyrical text written by children's poet laureate J. Patrick Lewis transforms these nonfiction books into works of art. From building a gingerbread house to sharing presents under the tree, this book helps readers celebrate the joys of Christmas. And who forget the most popular Christmas poem, 'Twas the Night Before Christmas. This book has beautiful illustrations, and it also has a picture seek and find on every page. This Christmas, my children and I are working on learning the entire poem.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you like this, and I have another video coming out for you every day of the week in December. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.